everybody. In this video I will talking about a simple example about the inheritance. Here is a problem. Create a class person with member variables name and age and methods to set and display values of those member variables. Then create a class student which will inherit person. Student will have school name as variable and methods to set and display values of those member variables. Now let's start coding. First we have to create person class. Then person has string name, then int is, okay, two member variables, then methods to set those values. Public void set string name int is, okay, perfect. This dot name is equal to name, then this dot is be is, okay, simple. The parameters been assigned the class variables, then methods to display the values. Public void show system dot out dot print ln name, okay, plus name plus, okay, slash age plus age, perfect. Now let's declare the student class, and this will be inheriting person, so we will be using the extend keyword, okay, extends person. This has one variable, that is the name of school, string school name, and methods to set those member variables, okay, public void set. Okay, string, what I can do, string name, then int is, then string school name, okay, simply I will be writing school, okay. Now to assign the name for base class, what we do, super.name is equal to name, because the name of the parameter and the class member are same. So to distinguish between the parameter and the class variable, I'm using the super. Here super will access, means it will enable to access the member of the base class, okay. Similarly, super dot is equal to is, then school name is equal to name, okay. Here I don't have to use this because the parameter and the class variables name are different. Now I will have a public void show, so I will call the show method of this super class using the super keyword, then system.out.print ln, I just have to show the school name, okay, plus school name, perfect. Okay, here show is a function overriding. Here the derived class is overriding the show method of the base class because the method signatures are same, and in order to access the show of the base class, I'm using the super keyword, and super keyword is used to access the members of the base class, remember that. So this will call the base class show and it will display name and age of the person, and this system.out.println will display simply the school name. Now let's write the driver program. Class inherit underscore demo underscore I, then pu public static void main, then a string, okay, let's make an object of, okay, person first, person pb new person, then let's set. Now I have to provide name, let's suppose name with the Seatal, that is bit 39, okay. Now let's call the show method. Now let's make the student object is equal to new student, then yes dot set name b Sabrina, then is v44, then school be AAMV, then let's call show method, okay, simple. I think everything's perfect here. Now let's execute this. Java C inherit, okay, dot Java, perfect, okay, comp. Now you can see this is the base class, Sital and 39, Sabrina 44, Sabrina. School name is not Sabrina. Some silly thing happened. What I have to do is I have to name why A M B, okay, name. This is the naming conflict here. Okay, I should write here school. Okay, silly mistake. Now it will be perfect. Now we can see AAMB as the school name. So in this way, we can use the inheritance, that is the example of code reusability. This person class once defined, then that can be extended by another class. Means another class will have access to the features of this person class. That means we don't have to redefine this age and name and the show method. Okay, simple. We can create one more object here, simple, less student s1 is equal to new student, then s1 dot set Anil, then SB 56, then school B, again AAMB. This is my school, okay, actually s1 dot show. Now it will work perfect. Now you can see Anil 56, Sabrina is there. So in this way we can create any number of student, any number of person. Okay, this student class is simply inheriting the properties of person. Okay, this is student class. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.